Yeah, look at that. Home for the next 3 days. Love it. Perfect. Right on Lake Arbutus in Black River Falls. Leaves are starting to turn. Got some good color up here. There's Jack's little shit head. Look at this. This is my spot. Corner spot. Nice little channel. And then it goes out into the lake. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. Out.